what's up? So I'm gonna install something today. It's my table. See, I don't have a table here, but soon I will. I've got this fancy table here that once I set it up, I'll be able to move it all around and stuff. Or at least that's the idea. So I'm gonna get started. I kind of have to learn how to use it because it's a little bit confusing, but yeah, I think I have a pretty good idea how to start. And so here we go. Alright, hopefully this doesn't crack. Oh yeah, it definitely cracked it. Alright, no crack, no crack, no crack, come on. Please! Heck yeah. Cool. So I found some brackets. And look at this. It fits perfectly in this center groove right here. Well, if I can get it back in there. Look at that. So I'll need to just zip those in. And I'll start working on the front piece. Okay. So I skipped a few steps because I was using a lot of brain power. Let me show you what I got. It's up there. I had to, instead of using the one piece of wood, I used 2 pieces of wood and a plastic shim. It's not on yet. But, yep, you can see the bolts coming through. So my next step, I'm just gonna bolt it all tight. And that's gonna be the majority of it done if it works out and looks good. You can see it's square to the bench. Hopefully that means once the arm is all up and stuff that it's still square. I'll let you know in a second. Alright. So, there's how my table is going to be. This isn't attached right now because I need to figure out where I want to mount that plate to this board. That's pretty nice. Or I can kind of spin it around here and have it a little extra room there. Lower it. Well, a little bit too much. Yeah, I could have it here. That's pretty nice. Ooh, can I? I don't know where the best spot is, but this spot feels pretty good. So I might go with that. How I've got it. It's fairly in the middle. A little bit, it's like around here. Yeah. And if I had another person, they could fit here and they could still use this. Alright, I think that's where I'm gonna put it. Right where it's at. Let me get the drill and screw it in. Alright, so I'm about to drill the board in. I figured I'd show you a little trick. If you don't want to drill too far, you just put a piece of tape and then you'll know when to stop. So I've just taped this drill bit and I won't go out the top, and then I'll have it pre-drilled for my screw so I won't crack the wood. So yeah, quick little tip, just tape it the distance you want it. So another cool thing about this table is it's like detachable, so I can like pop it off and put it away. So if I didn't want it up like this, I can just loosen it, pop this piece off, hit myself in the head like that, and I can just stick it behind my chair or something like that. I mean, this piece comes off as well. If I just loosen it. Oh, I'm struggling a little bit, hold on. Ouch, my finger. Alright, anyways, there. Comes off. But I think I'll probably leave it all installed, because I can just do this. I can just put it away like that behind my driver's seat. Then if I want to get in, I just swing it out and sit down. And it can also be like an extra little table if I ever decide to cook a lot. And it's pretty sturdy. I'll put some pressure here. You can see I can move it a little bit, but I mean, it takes a good amount of force. And then my hope is in the future to have that passenger chair be a swivel chair, and then this will be a table for that as well, because I can just put you here. Just lower it. And so now it's lower, but it would be a good height for that seat over there. So it's got a lot of cool things you can do with it. Pretty happy with that. So it's not the end of this project. I'm still going to like stain it, sand it a little bit, but it's the end of this video. Peace.